Hello students, this is Gurjit Luthra, your accountancy teacher. Today we are going to start with a new chapter which is ledger. Basically, ledger is a book wherein all accounts involved in a journal are posted. Basically, ledger contains all the information regarding individual accounts which are being debited or credited in ledger in journal. The format of ledger are: it is a T-shaped account, 4 columns on either side, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Similar on the right hand side, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. This amount is in rupees. This is debit side, this is credit. So here every transaction starts with buy and here it starts with to. Is it clear? So let's see the process of posting in a ledger by taking an example. For example, journalize the following transactions and post them into ledger. Transactions are: April 1st, started business with cash 1 lakh. April 2, paid into bank rupees 70,000. April 3, bought goods for cash 5,000. April 13, sold goods to Krishna on credit 1,000. April 20, bought goods from Sham on credit 1,500. Then April 24, received from Krishna 2250. Let's wait. Let's please check. Cash 1 lakh, paid into bank rupees 70,000, bought goods for cash 5,000, sold goods to Krishna on credit rupees 1,000, bought goods from Sham on credit rupees, let it be 2250, then received from Krishna rupees 1,500, then April 28 paid cash to Sham rupees 2,150, discount allowed by him rupees 100. Then April 30th cash sales rupees 8,000. April 30th again paid rent rupees 500 and salary rupees 3,000. These are our transactions. So first of all, let's journalize these transactions. The first one was started business with cash 1 lakh. So April 1, cash account debit to capital account 1 lakh. Then April 2 paid into bank rupees 70,000, bank account debit 70,000 to cash account 70,000. Then April 3 bought goods for cash 5,000, purchases account debit 5,000 to cash account 5,000. April 13 sold goods to Krishna on credit 1,000, so it will be Krishna to sales account 1,000. Make it 1,500. Sold goods to Krishna on credit 1,500. Let it be 1,500. 1,500. Okay. Then April 20th bought goods from Sham on credit 2,250. So it will be purchases account debit 2,250 to Sham 2,250. This was April 20th. Then April 24th received from Krishna rupees 1,500. So cash account debit to Krishna 1,500. April 28 paid cash to Sham 2,150. So that will be Sham debit 2,250 to cash account 2150. To discount received 100. April 30th, cash sales 8000. Cash account debit to sales account, it is 8000. And then April 30th, paid rent 500, salary 3000. So rent account debit 500, salary account debit 3000, to cash account 3500. So these are our journal entries. Hope we have passed the journal entries. Now we are starting with the preparation of ledger accounts. So let's start with the preparation of ledger accounts. Format is date, particulars. Journal folio is a dummy column. That means wherein we write the page number on which this entry was recorded. Journal folio, amount, date, particulars, again journal folio, amount, rupees. Now let's see the first entry. First I'll prepare cash account. Now see how this cash account is to be prepared. All transactions involving cash. See, first transaction is April 1st, cash account debit to capital account. We are preparing cash account, so we won't write cash while preparing cash account. The other part of the transaction is to capital account. So that means here it's debit, here it is credit. So we will write on April 1st to capital account 1 lakh. Is it clear? Now see, transactions of April 2, bank account debit to cash account. So we will hide cash account. What are we left with? Bank. So that means cash is starting with 2. So we will write bank on buy side. Buy bank account 70,000. Here we will write April 2, buy bank account 70,000. Clear? Now see, April 3, purchases to cash. We will hide cash. Again, buy purchases 5,000 rupees. April 3, buy purchases account 5,000. Now see, any other transaction involving cash. Krishna to sales, no cash is involved. Purchases to Sham, no cash is involved. Then April 24th, cash to Krishna. Now we will hide cash. What are we left with? To Krishna. April 24, we will write to Krishna. How much have we received from Krishna? 1500. Okay. Any other cash transaction? Next, April 28, Sham to cash to discount. So cash we will hide. We will write buy Sham, and the amount will come of cash transaction. Buy Sham, amount will be 2150. April 28th, buy Sham, amount will be 2150. Is it clear? Now April 30th, cash to sales. We will hide cash. What are we left with? To sales 8,000. April 30th, to sales account 8,000. Now, April 30th, the last transactions. We will hide the cash account. There are two things coming on buy side: buy rent, buy salary. So we will write like that only. April 30th, buy rent 500. April 30th, buy salary 3,000. So this is the posting of cash account. Let us make another account. Let it be purchases account. Date, particulars, general folio, amount, date, particulars, general folio, amount, debit, credit. Okay, now let's see the transactions involving purchases. No purchases involved, no purchases involved. Here it is, purchases account debit to cash. So we will hide purchases. What are we left with? To cash account. So in purchases it will be April 3 to cash account 5,000. Any other entry for purchases? Yes, there it is. April 20th, purchases to Sham. So we will hide purchases. What are we left with? To Sham 2250. April 20th to Sham 2,250 rupees. This is how we have to prepare the various accounts. Okay, I'll prepare another account for you. Let's prepare sales account. Debit, credit, date, particulars, general folio, amount, date, particulars, general folio, amount. Is it clear? So let's see the sales transactions. Are there any? Here it is, April 13. Krishna to sales. We will hide the sales. What are we left with? Buy Krishna 1,500. Okay, buy Krishna 1,500. April 13. April 13, buy Krishna 1,500. Is there any other entry for sales? Yes, it is. April 30th, cash to sales. We will hide sales. We are left with buy cash 8,000. April 30th, buy cash account 8,000. This is how you have to prepare the various accounts. This is what ledger is prepared. Now we will learn how to balance the accounts. We have already posted all the transactions here. How to balance the account? Now see the balancing work. What is to be done? First we will total both the sides. Let's see, the total of this side, debit side, comes out to be 1,09,500, and on credit side it is 75, 77, 80, 80,650 rupees. So this side has the higher total. We will put the higher total on both the sides. Here the total is 1,09,500. 500. We will put the same total here, 1,09,500. Is it clear? Now find out the balancing figure. Balancing figure means this amount minus all these amounts. So this amount total is 75, 77, 80,650. 80,650. Subtracting it from 1,09,500. We get 0, 5, 14 minus 6, 8, 8, 10 minus 8, 28,850. We will put this amount here, 28,850 rupees. April 30th, the last day of the month. We will write it as by balance carried down, 28,850 rupees. And the same balance is to be brought down on the first date of the next month. So next month, first date is May 1. It will be to balance brought down 28,850. Is it clear? Let's learn more. Let's balance the purchases account as well. Here, total both sides. We don't have anything out here, so we will total this side. 7,250 rupees. 7,250 rupees. So balance will come on this side. We will write on April 30th, the last day of the month, by balance carried down 7,250. And on the next date of the first date of the next month, May 1, it will be to balance brought down. BD stands for brought down 7,250. Now let's balance the sales account. Obviously, no transaction on the debit side, so we will total this side. Total is 9,500. We'll put the same total here, 9,500. So here it will be on April 30th, to balance carried down 9,500, and on next day, that is May 1, by balance brought down 9,500. Is it clear? Now your homework is, you have to prepare the following accounts. Number 1, capital account. Number 2, bank account. Number 3, Krishna's account. Number 4, Sham's account. Number 5, discount received account. Number 6, you have to prepare rent account. Number 7, you have to prepare salary account. This is your homework for the day, and we'll be continuing with this topic involving GST also, how to prepare the ledger accounts involving GST also. Okay, thank you.